Hi there, this is Rachel from MAXIZM Industrial Limited, which supply all kinds of engineering machinery. Today I came into the Qingdao Port, and as you can see, there are many machinery are waiting for delivery. Now I'll show you more concrete mixed trunk and export to Africa. Let's go. Here are 5 units heavy-duty concrete mixed trunk. It's China's famous trunk brand. The driving type is 6-4 and left-hand driving with top configuration, as you can see. Equipped with WEICHAI brand engine, a 308 horsepower, which meets Europe 4 emission standards. The overall dimension is 9.6 meter in length, 2.5 meter in width, 3.9 meter in height, which about 10 cubic meters. Let's see the tanker. Adopt China famous brand CIMC and important American brand EATON motor and pump. Also with Italy ball-free reducer. Well, now let's see the cabin part. Let's see the inside of the cabin with one single bed and air conditioner, all steel forward control, also with laminated window screen. It also has a heating and ventilation system, air horn, and adjustable roof light. Also, the driver's seat is adjustable. All in all, there are more different series models suitable for your different working construction situation, and a variety of optional configuration if you need. More questions and demands, welcome to inquiry anytime. This is Rachel. See you guys next time. Bye.